Breaking news we're tracking on NDTV at the moment. Fresh outrage this morning at West Bengal's rape horror case. The BJP has now taken direct aim at Trinamool Congress's women leaders, questioning their silence on the disturbing case that's shaken Durgapur and beyond. The BJP is basically asking, where are the voices of those who champion women's rights when a young girl was brutally attacked and left fighting for her life? This political war comes even as the victim's family, in an emotional statement, slammed the state's response and questioned Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's comments, blaming the girl for being out at night. The latest coming in, the BJP now taking direct aim at TMC's women leaders, questioning their silence on the disturbing case that's shaken Durgapur and beyond. Shreyashi has been tracking the latest for us. She joins us live at the moment. Shreyashi, take us through the response so far from the TMC's top women leaders.
Well, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is the one who has spoken out about this incident. While she has condemned it, she's also made certain remarks that has drawn criticism across, the social media as well as from public because of her, remark that women should not step out after 12 o'clock and, the safety is in their own hand. As far as the Trinamool Congress MPs or leaders are concerned, we've heard from Kakuli Ghosh Tulsidar, who is the Lok Sabha MP for the party, who's also kind of victim blamed. We've heard Shogata Roy. But of course, the women MPs that the BJP is talking about haven't spoken about it. This has given the opposition some political mileage, given the fact that West Bengal will be going in for elections early next year. This has given the opposition some, ammo against the Trinamool Congress to take them on politically on women's safety issues, considering RG Kaur was such a big movement here in West Bengal, where, a doctor, a junior doctor was found raped and killed inside a government hospital, which had shaken the Mamata Banerjee government and brought it to its knees. And of course, now this incident where an Orissa resident was allegedly raped outside her college campus. She's a second-year MBBS student. So these issues are being highlighted by the BJP to corner the Mamata Banerjee government, questioning their silence, questioning their statements, and of course, the women's, safety and security issue in the state.
As always, Shreyashi, thank you so much for joining us with the latest update. And for a reaction from the BJP, joining us at the moment, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Rahul Sinha, over the phone line. सर, आपने टीएमसी महिला नेताओं के साइलेंस पर सवाल उठाए हैं, but what do you have to say to the allegations that the BJP is using this tragic case to further its political narrative in Bengal? How do you respond to that charge?
देखिए, बात ये है, पहला तो महिला मुख्यमंत्री होने का बावजूद लगातार महिला का ऊपर अत्याचार हो रहा है और जिन महिला सांसदों ने खास करके महुआ मोइत्रो कोई भी कुछ किसी जगह में होता तो साथ साथ शोर मचाना चालू कर देते हैं। आज कहाँ है उन लोगों का महिला प्रीति? आज इतना बड़ा हादसा हो गया, सारे एकदम मुख में ताला लगा दिया, एक भी शब्द किसी ने नहीं बोल रहा है। कारण क्या है? ममता जी नाराज हो जाएंगे, पद उनका घट जाएगा। इसीलिए महिला होते हुए भी तृणमूल का ये सारे सांसद, तृणमूल का सारे नेता महिला होते हुए भी ये लोग पद का लालची है। ये लोग इतना बड़ा हादसा महिला के ऊपर हो गया, एक शब्द भी नहीं कहा। और इसी बात का उजागर हमने हमारा हर चैनल से, हर प्रक्रिया से हम करना चाहते हैं। कारण तृणमूल महिला होते हुए भी, महिला शासक होते हुए भी महिला विरोधी पार्टी है।
Right. Mr. Sinha, thank you so much for joining us with a reaction on behalf of the BJP. As the opposition, Mr. Sinha is highlighting that the systematic failures of the Mamata Banerjee government when it comes to policing and women's safety in Bengal as far as the TMC rule is concerned. Well, the politics over the Durgapur rape horror refuses to die down. Amid nationwide anger, attention has now turned to Mamata Banerjee's controversial remarks, which critics say blame the victim. Families of the survivor are demanding justice while the opposition is mounting pressure on the state government over women's safety. The National Commission for Women has slammed glaring lapses in security and law enforcement, raising serious questions about preventive measures, serious questions about policing and investigation in Durgapur. Meanwhile, the BJP has upped the ante against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee by launching a scathing attack on the Chief Minister, highlighting what they call a failure of governance and women's safety in the state. Adding to the controversy, TMC MP Saugata Roy has suggested that women need to exercise caution, saying women shouldn't leave colleges at night. Police cannot patrol everywhere. Another TMC MP, as we highlighted on NDTV, Kakoli Ghosh, sparked further outrage by claiming that rape happens everywhere in the country.
सरकार खुद ही रेपिस्ट है, रेपिस्ट का प्रोटेक्टर है ममता बनर्जी का सरकार। जो नासिरुद्दीन अरेस्ट हुआ है वो दुर्गापुर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का कैजुअल एम्प्लॉय भी है और तृणमूल का युवा नेता है। टीएमसी खुद ने रेप का साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, वो कैसे प्रोटेक्शन करेगा?
अगर आपको किसी जान पहचान ने बुला है तो जिस दिन कॉलेज बंद है, परीक्षा चल रहा है, आपको यूनिट की कुछ बनाएगा तो आप मत जाइए, इसमें आपको भला नहीं होगा। वो लड़की अगर नहीं जाता तो ये घटना नहीं घटते थे।
কিন্তু একজন বন্ধু যদি বান্ধবীকে রেপ করে তাহলে সেখানে নিরাপত্তা কি করে দেবে বলুন তো আমাকে? কলেজের ভেতরে যদি করে সেখানে পুলিশ থাকবে কলেজে।
लेकिन महिलाओं को भी अपना कॉलेज से इतना रात में निकलना नहीं चाहिए। थोड़ा पुलिस तो हर जगह पहरा नहीं दे सकते हैं, तो इसको थोड़ा सावधान होना चाहिए लोगों को।
You must note that 2 more people were arrested on Monday in connection with this Durgapur gang rape. Already 3 people were held on Sunday for the rape of the second-year MBBS student who is from Odisha's Balasore district. Addressing a press conference, the police commissioner in Durgapur, Sunil Chaudhary, stated that all 5 people whose presence was found at the scene of the crime have been arrested. Listen in to the Durgapur commissioner's remarks.
अभी तक हम लोगों ने इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जितने भी अक्यूज थे, 5 अक्यूज्ड जिनका प्रेजेंस प्लेस ऑफ ऑफेंस पे इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है, हम लोगों ने अरेस्ट किया है। इन्वेस्टिगेशन इस केस में सही दिशा में चल रहा है। सारी पुलिस, सारा प्रशासन, जो विक्टिम की फैमिली है, जो पेरेंट्स हैं, उनके साथ है। पहले दिन ही विक्टिम गर्ल के पिताजी से बात की है, 1 घंटा बात की है, उनको सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी के बारे में आश्वस्त किया है। उनको पर्सनली मैंने बोला है उनके परिवार को, उनको जो भी सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी की ज़रूरत है वो हम लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे। हालांकि उन्होंने पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी लेने से मना कर दिया। विक्टिम गर्ल जो हैं उनको हमने 24 घंटे सुरक्षा दी हुई है।